Hi everyone, this is Teacher Joanne, and I just want to show you this revised version of my first Bisaya book. So I first published it in 2021, and then it went through several revisions based on the reader's feedback. So one of the most common comments I received from buyers and readers is that I wish the book has pronunciation guide, and so that's what I did in this new revision. Although this book is created with kids in mind, this is a really good learning tool for anyone who is new to learning Bisaya. So it has the basic words here, starting from numbers 1 to 10, the basic colors. We also have the shapes. We also have common objects found in a Filipino household. We also have some action words here. We have about the nature, like trees, flowers, and stuff like that. And for some people, they'd like to hear the pronunciation instead of just reading it. So in this book, I also included an audio link. So you can also read it, practice it, and at the same time, listen to it. So I hope you can check out this book. It is available in Amazon. And I am going to also revise the ebook version of it so that you can also get the Kindle version if you can't get the printed copy. So until then, hanggang sa susunod, this is Teacher Joanne. Salamat!